How to make DIY hair mask for hair growth with coconut oil, olive oil and avocado. When it comes to taking stock of your hair's health, there's nothing better than a refreshing avocado-based hair mask. The vitamin B and E content of avocado work wonderfully with coconut oil and olive oil to repair split ends, nourish your hair, and stimulate hair growth. Scoop out 1 avocado and mash it along with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil until you have a smooth paste. Now, apply this hair mask all over your hair, from roots to tips, and leave it on for 30 minutes. Then, wash it off with shampoo. For best results, follow this routine once a week. Bonus tip: eating coconut oil might give you healthier, faster growing hair. You might notice a difference, especially if you aren't getting enough natural fats and other nutrients in your diet. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.